I can see some gifts in here. You can see this yellow stuff, so I think it's a gift. Ta-da! Drum roll. Yippee! It looks nice. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys think that I wasn't going to keep up to my promise when I said I was not going to drop that last video and I was going to run away. So I'm here again with another video, and this video is going to be a first impression on the hair that I bought. So we have this package from a hair vendor that I saw online. So prior to this purchase, I had previously patronized this lady sometimes in September when I had to travel, and back then as well I got Kinky straight human hair blend bundles. That's what I got, but this time around is human hair. So let's just dive right into this video and let's see what's in this wrap. So just to put a disclaimer out there, this is not a sponsored video. It's something I bought. It's an item I bought online, and I just felt like showing you guys my true first honest impression of this hair while I unbox it. This is typically not me, because I know when I get orders from vendors that deliver them to me, the first thing is I'm quite curious. I'm quite a curious person, so I would usually just dive right in and see what is inside. But I was like, no, okay, I haven't tried this before. I should actually do this for my YouTube girlies and men, if you have any men on here on my channel. But yeah, so just dive right in and see what it looks like. So on the first impression of this, it came in a nylon, so I think I would have preferred maybe it came in a fabric wrap or something, but not this nylon. But then anyways, it looks like it's been properly secured. There is no tear whatsoever, and it is also secured with sellotape. So I think that is okay, and I will just make do with this. Honestly, there's really nothing I can do about it. It's the package, so I feel like it's more about what is inside and than what is outside, even though what is outside is what attracts what is inside. But anyway, it is what it is. So this is it. So I ordered this product when I think I ordered on Wednesday, and I didn't get it up until yesterday. I thought I was going to see it, but I didn't get it 2 days after. But this delivery experience was very seamless, and it was quick like a lightning. But yeah, the very first purchase I got from this brand as well was quick. I can't remember, I wasn't even up to a day that I made the payments, and I received my order almost instantaneously, like almost instantly. And yeah, I really like that aspect of this brand very much. Yeah, without talking too much and going straight into the purpose of this video, I'm going to grab my scissors, because scissors is going to do this job. I can't use my hand to tear the nylon apart. So let's do this, and now I don't know if I'm going to reuse this nylon, but I will just cut it from here. Then I also, like, even before unwrapping this or cutting it open, I can see some gifts in here. You can see this yellow stuff, so I think it's a gift. Oh, ta-da! Drum roll. Yippee! It looks nice. My God! Oh my God! Oh, it's so thoughtful. This is so thoughtful. Wow. So in this, before we go right into the star of the show, I have some gifts here. I have this rat tail comb, then I have this medium-sized comb. Oh, these are so cute, and they come in a very lovely color. So yeah, these are going into my product stash. I'm so excited. Like, who doesn't love gifts? Like, I really love. So diving right into the start of the show, like the purpose of the show. My bundle. Honestly, looking at it looks amazing. Like, I'm just speechless. Like, it looks so amazing. The color is wonderful. Before I even start like patronizing this package, let's open it and see. This is amazing. But then as I open it, so it comes in this seal, and yeah, wow, this is nice. So before I placed an order, obviously, like you go through the page of the vendor to see if you can get what you like, and that is exactly what I did. This is 3 bundles, 1, 2, and 3. So we're just going to do some quality check on these bundles. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, and it also comes with a I don't even know, is this 360? I think it's no, this is more like 180, right? This is like 180 frontal, and for the price I got this for, man, I think I got a good deal. Like, this is amazing. Like, it looks amazing. So we'll do like a small texture. Let me just take one. We'll do like a texture text and see what it looks like. As you can see, there's no shading whatsoever. I'm running my hair through and my hands through, and it's just gliding through. Also, it doesn't have that shiny thing that it doesn't have that shiny color that what's the name, that synthetic hair has. This looks very natural, but it has all this tints like color 30, like it has a mix of color 30 in between. I'm not sure I like that, but maybe it's not that bad. I think everything is like that too. But yeah, what do you guys think? It looks pretty okay. Then smelling it too, it has that natural hair smell. I'm able to like tell because I'd previously gotten a synthetic hair, and synthetic hair doesn't smell so luxurious and rich like this. So yeah, that is that about this. So 1 bundle, 2 bundles, and 3 bundles. I don't know if I'm going to exhaust this, so I'm going to use this as sewing first. Initially, I'm going to sew them in like normal cornrow your hair, then sew these bundles onto it. Hopefully it's going to be enough. I feel like it's going to be enough. Like the wefts look like they will be sufficient for what I want to use them for. Yeah, the wefts too are super thick. I think they're super thick. They are not fragile. So this shows that this was neatly produced in the factory. Then moving on to the frontal. The frontal too is nice. You can also see all the curls. I like that he has this curl. So I'm actually worried. Why? Because of this thing that he has. Because of this color 30 that he has, or maybe it's because it's under, because I'm using a light to film now. Maybe that is why it's showing that. But maybe it's going to blend well under natural light. Honestly, I do not know. But this is what the lace also looks like. It's not plucked. I don't think it's not actually plucked, and it has a wavy hairline. But yeah, so this is the what? This is the frontal. This is not a closure, it's more of a frontal because it spans from here to here. Compared to what I was actually expecting, I would say that I really got what I ordered. So this is not a case of what I ordered versus what I got. What I ordered was exactly what I got, which is a very nice one, because it's not every time that you see such scenarios where you actually order something and you get exactly what you ordered for. Yeah, I'm so glad about that. Very excited to actually try out this bundle. So how am I going to be styling this hair? Obviously it's kind of curly, and from what the vendor claimed, you are actually able to straighten and bleach or dye this hair. So first off, I'm going to rock it as wavy like this, then maybe subsequently then I can straighten it. But I feel like straightening too would look amazing. Like the color is actually perfect. It is copacetic. It's very nice. Like I'm just looking at like such a beautiful natural color. The ends too are actually like they almost like simulate or imitate sort of my hair texture, but my hair texture doesn't have all this color or this color techniques. Well, yeah, basically that is that about that. I'm going to do a follow-up review video for you when I have it installed, and basically just show you how I style it during the course of its wear. So yeah, basically that's the whole point of this video. So tell me, would you want me to bleach this? Honestly, I don't think I'm that adventurous when it comes to like doing all sorts to extensions. So I think I'll just either way it like this, maybe use my bending rollers to style it, or basically just straighten it. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you very much. If you watch this video till the end, drop me a comment in the comment section and say I love this, or just let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Till I see you guys again. Bye.